Introduction. Hi there. Are you looking to earn some extra money on the side? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 side hustles that can help you earn money quickly. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone looking to supplement your income, these ideas are worth considering. What are side hustles? So, what exactly is a side hustle? A side hustle is a part-time business or freelance work that you can do in addition to your main job or studies. It's a way to earn extra money, develop new skills, and potentially turn your passion into a career. Think of it like having a part-time job, but with more flexibility and autonomy. Side hustle 1. Online surveys. First up, let's talk about online surveys. You can earn money by sharing your opinions on various products and services through websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Here's how it works. Sign up, take surveys, and get paid. Simple, right? It won't make you rich, but it's a good way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Side hustle 2. Selling products online. Next, let's talk about selling products online. You can use platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy to sell items you no longer need or products you can source cheaply. Just remember to research your market, set competitive prices, and provide good customer service. With a little effort, you can earn some decent money selling products online. Side hustle 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is another popular side hustle. You can offer your writing services to businesses and individuals who need content for their websites, blogs, or social media. To get started, you'll need to build a portfolio, create a professional profile, and pitch your services to potential clients. It's a great way to use your writing skills and earn some extra cash. Side hustle 4. Ride-sharing. Ride-sharing is a side hustle that's perfect for those with a car and a flexible schedule. You can sign up with companies like Uber or Lyft and earn money by driving passengers around. Just remember to follow the rules, provide good service, and stay safe on the road. Side hustle 5. Tutoring. Finally, let's talk about tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, you can offer your services as a tutor. You can use online platforms like TutorMe or Chegg to connect with clients. Just remember to create a schedule, set clear expectations, and communicate effectively with your students. Recap and call to action. That's it. In this video, we explored the top 5 side hustles that can help you earn money quickly. Remember, these ideas are not get-rich-quick schemes, but rather legitimate ways to earn extra income. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.